Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Learners. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating new feature from ChatGPT, its memory capability. If you've ever wished that AI could remember what you talked about last time, your wish just came true. So, let's explore how this works, the benefits, and what it means for your privacy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and let's get started. So, what exactly is the memory feature in ChatGPT? Essentially, it allows ChatGPT to remember information across sessions. This means that when you tell ChatGPT something today, it can recall that information in your next conversation, even if it's days or weeks later. This feature is designed to make interactions more cohesive and personalized. The main benefit of this feature is continuity. For instance, if you're working on a project over several days, ChatGPT can keep track of your progress and continue assisting without needing a recap. It's like having a digital assistant that truly remembers your needs and preferences. Let's see this in action.
তুমি আমার জন্য অনেক টাকা রোজগার করো আচ্ছা যেটা আমার কাউকে প্রয়োজন না পড়ে ঠিক আছে টাকাটা দিয়ে কি হবে লোকরা এসে যত্ন করে দিতে পারবো কিংবা ভালো একটা বৃদ্ধাশ্রমে চলে যাব
Here I have asked to provide me a video content, and since ChatGPT has stored the memory that I have a YouTube channel on a specific niche, it has answered me keeping that knowledge in mind. Now, let's talk privacy. One of the biggest concerns with features like this is, of course, security and control. OpenAI has implemented several measures to ensure that your data is protected. Importantly, you can view what the AI remembers, update incorrect information, and delete anything you don't want it to recall. This gives you full control over your data. Let's see this in action. Go to Settings and select Personalization. You can switch on or off the memory for your account. Again, you can click on Manage button, see what ChatGPT has stored in its memory, and delete or modify the memory as per your requirement. Despite these benefits, some of you might still have concerns, especially around how much personal information AI should hold. It's a valid concern, and one that OpenAI takes seriously. All data stored is encrypted, and users have the ability to manage their memory settings directly, ensuring that you retain control over your interactions. So, how can you use this feature? It's pretty simple. Just tell him during the conversation to store in its memory. Let's see an example. You can see that ChatGPT has updated the knowledge of the conversation. That wraps up our look at ChatGPT's memory feature. As AI continues to evolve, features like this will become more sophisticated, enhancing how we interact with technology daily. What do you think about AI remembering details between conversations? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.